What's up guys, so I just finished modifying the Skunk 2 camera arms to the HellaFlush Mod. It'll be a very short video, just going to show you guys the difference and what has to be done in order to modify the kit. Cool. Alright, so here is the left and right camera kit for the front. This one is already flipped and grinded, which you can see that it's a lot further back than this one is. And this is the difference of what I took away. So the normal Skunk 2 kit would have stopped right there, and I grinded off this material. So now that that material is grinded off, we can actually flip this ball joint and push it further in. So in the position I had it before, it would have been right here, and this would give me negative 2.4 camber. So now with the flip and the grind material off, hopefully this will give me negative 3 or more, and that will solve my camera issue. So if you have the Skunk 2 camera kit and it's giving you a problem, not enough camera kit, and you want to do the HellaFlush Mod, all you need to do is take off your ball joint, grind away this much material or as much as you desire, and hopefully once you flip the ball joint and reinstall it, when you go for your alignment settings, you can achieve what you want to achieve on the front camera. But that's the OEM or how the camera kit comes as spec, and with it flipped and with that material missing, it'll look like that, like this one. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's this week's video, just very short and sweet on the camera kit update, how to do the HellaFlush Mod and the difference that it makes. Once it's installed, I'll obviously update everyone on the camera I end up getting on the front. And yeah, this week I'm going to reinstall the camera kit, probably do an oil change and get the car started for the first time this year. So stay tuned. Thanks.